Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an outlet mall. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a store worker. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why are clothes cheaper at an outlet? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are, Ken. This is the outlet mall.
Wow, it is so big. There are stores everywhere.
Yes, many famous brands have a store here.
I see big names. I know that one and that one too.
Right, you can find a lot of brands in one place.
But it is far from the city. We drove for almost an hour.
That is true. Most outlet malls are far from the city center.
Why is that? It is not easy to come here.
Well, the brands do not want to take customers from their normal stores.
What do you mean?
Their normal stores are in the city. If the cheap outlet is also in the city, people will stop buying at full price.
Oh, I see. So they build the outlet far away.
Right. The city stores sell at full price. The outlet out here sells for less.
That is smart. People who want a deal can drive here.
Right. And look, the mall is outside, not in one big building.
Yes, the shops are in a long, open row. It feels like a small town.
That is a nice way to say it. Oh, and look at this jacket. It is so cheap.
Wow, it really is. It's the same brand as the city store.
Yes, the same brand, but the price is much lower.
Why is everything cheaper here? I do not understand.
That is a good question. There's a clear reason.
Can you tell me now?
Let us go inside first. You will learn the answer step by step.
Okay, let's go. I really want to know.
Then follow me. Today you will become a smart shopper. Okay, here is a clothing store. Let us look at the shirts.
There are so many. And look, there are red signs everywhere.
Those signs show the sale. Let me show you how to read a price tag.
Please do. The numbers are a little confusing.
Look at this shirt. See the first number? $40.
Yes, $40, but there is a line through it.
Right. That line means it is the old price. The old price was $40.
And the new price is below, $20.
Yes, so the shirt is now $20. That is half off.
Half off means 50%, right?
Exactly. $40 to $20. You save $20.
That is easy when I see it like this.
Here is a little trick. Stores show the old price on purpose.
On purpose? Why?
When you see the high old price next to the low new price, the deal feels bigger.
Oh, so the line makes me feel happy to buy.
Yes, it is a little trick for your eyes.
I will remember that. What about this price? $19.99.
That is another trick. $19.99 feels cheaper than $20.
But it is almost the same, only 1 cent less.
True, but our eyes see the 1 and 9 first, so it feels lower.
Stores are clever. I will look more carefully now.
Good. Always check the old price and the new price.
And I should look for the percent off, too.
Yes, a big number like 50% off is a great deal.
What does BOGO mean? I see it on this sign.
It means buy one, get one free, or cheap.
Got it. Now I can read these tags by myself. Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Of course. How can I help you?
This is my first time at an outlet. Why are the clothes so cheap here?
Good question. There are a few reasons. Most of these clothes are from last season.
Last season? You mean they are old?
Not old and not broken. They are just not the newest style.
So the design is from a few months ago.
Yes, new styles go to the city stores first. Later, they come here for less.
I see. What is the other reason?
Sometimes a brand makes too many clothes. The extra stock comes to the outlet.
So it is last season's style or extra stock.
Right, but the quality is the same as the city store.
So the price is low, but the clothes are still good.
Yes, you pay less for a small reason, not a bad one.
Are the clothes here new and clean then?
Yes, they are brand new. No one wore them before.
That is good to know, so I can buy with no worry.
Yes, one more thing you should know.
What is it?
Some clothes are made just for the outlet. They are not from the city store at all.
Really? Made only for here?
Yes, so not everything is last season. Some is made for the outlet from the start.
That is interesting. I thought it was all old stock.
Many people think that. Now you know the truth.
Thank you. So the answer is last season's styles or extra stock.
That is right. You learned fast.
Ha! My friend is teaching me well today.
Enjoy your shopping. Take your time.
Ellie, I learned the answer. The clothes are last season or extra stock.
Great! You are learning fast. Now, come and see this corner.
There is a big sign. It says clearance.
Yes, clearance is even cheaper than the rest of the store.
Wow, this shirt is only $10 now.
Clearance means the store wants to sell these items fast.
Why do they want to sell them fast?
These are the oldest items. The store needs space for new things.
So clearance has the biggest discount.
Right, but there is one problem.
What problem?
Look at the sizes. Many sizes are gone. Only a few are left.
That is true. There is no medium here, only small and extra large.
Yes, when only some sizes are left, we call it broken sizes.
Broken sizes? Funny name.
Yes, it does not mean the clothes are broken. It means the sizes are not all there.
I see. So clearance is cheap, but my size may not be there.
Exactly. It is a trade. Big discount, but small choice.
I understand. So the store keeps the best sizes somewhere else.
Right. The newest clothes are at the front, the oldest at the back.
So I should look at the back of the store for the best price.
Yes, the back often has the deepest discounts.
So if I find my size on the clearance rack, I am lucky.
Very lucky. Take it fast because there's only one.
Let me check. Is there a medium shirt? No, only large.
Too bad, but do not worry. Let us try another store.
Okay, I want to find a good deal in my size.
We will. The day is still young. Here is another store. Look at the door.
The sign says extra 20% off today.
Yes, outlets often have a deal for one day only.
So today is a good day to buy here.
Right. The price is already low, and now you save 20% more.
Nice. How do I get the extra discount?
Sometimes it is for everyone. Sometimes you need a coupon.
A coupon? Where do I get one?
You can sign up with your email or the store app. Then they send you coupons.
That is easy. Anything else?
Yes, here is a tip many people do not know.
Tell me, please.
Most outlet malls have a place called guest services.
Guest services. What is that?
It is a help desk near the center of the mall. You can get a coupon book there.
A whole book of coupons?
Yes, it has deals for many stores. Sometimes it is free. Sometimes you join a club.
So if I know about guest services, I can save even more.
Exactly. Many people walk past it and never ask.
I will not be shy. I will ask the staff for every deal.
Good. The staff can tell you about today's best sales.
I will go there next time. That is good to know.
One more thing. See this sign? Buy more, save more.
What does that mean?
If you buy 2 shirts, you save a little. If you buy 3, you save more.
So buying together is cheaper. Got it.
Right. So a coupon, a one-day deal, and buying more all help.
There are so many ways to save here. I love it.
You are a smart shopper now. Let's pick your shirt and pay.
Okay, I like this blue shirt. I want to buy it.
Wait, did you try it on first?
No, it is a medium. I always wear a medium.
Be careful, sizes are not the same in every brand.
Really? A medium is not always a medium?
No, one brand's medium can be bigger than another brand's medium.
That is strange. Why is there no clear rule?
There is no strong rule for sizes. Each brand chooses its own.
So I should always try the clothes on?
Yes, and here is something interesting. Sizes have grown over the years.
Grown? What do you mean?
A medium today is bigger than a medium from many years ago.
So the same word, medium, has changed?
Yes, that is why you must try it on, not just read the size.
Where can I try it on?
The fitting room is over there. Take the shirt and check the size.
Good idea. I do not want to buy the wrong size.
Right. 2 minutes in the fitting room can save you money.
Okay, let me try it. It fits well. I will take it.
Good. Now let us pay. Show your coupon at the register.
When do I show it? Before or after?
Show it when you pay, before the clerk takes your money.
Okay, here is my shirt and my coupon.
Now check the receipt. Make sure the discount is there.
Let me see. Yes, 20% off. It worked.
Perfect. Always check the receipt just to be sure.
How much did I save with the coupon?
The shirt was $20 and you paid $16.
So the coupon saved me $4. Nice.
Yes, small savings add up when you shop smart.
I saved a lot today. This is fun.
So, Ken, tell me, why are clothes cheaper at an outlet?
Because they are last season's styles or extra stock.
Very good. You remembered.
And some clothes are made just for the outlet. Lily told me.
You learned a lot today. I am proud of you.
I learned how to read tags, find clearance, and use coupons.
Yes, you are a real shopper now. But wait, one last lesson.
Another one? Okay, I'm listening.
Look at this sign by the door. It says Final Sale.
Final sale. What does that mean?
It means you cannot return the item. You cannot bring it back for your money.
So if I buy it and it does not fit, I am stuck with it?
Yes, with a final sale, there is no return and no exchange.
That is a little scary. I should check the size first.
Right. Always try it on before you buy a final sale item.
Here is something I did not know.
What is it?
In many places, stores do not have to take returns by law.
That is true. A return is a service, not a rule.
So I should read the return rules before I pay.
Yes, smart shoppers always check the rules before they buy.
So when a store lets me return something, that's kind of them.
Exactly. Some stores are easy and some are strict.
So I will keep the receipt just in case.
Good idea. You need the receipt to return anything.
I understand now. Today was a great lesson.
I'm glad. Now let us carry these bags to the car.
My bags are heavy, but my wallet is happy.
Well said. Let us go home, smart shopper.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why are clothes cheaper at an outlet? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!